Hello guys. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is information extraction in natural language processing. So basically what we are doing is we have to extract some meaningful information from your text. Okay. So let's see. Now we know very well that there are two different types of data. What is that? That is structured and unstructured. So what is structured data? That is data which has regular pattern for analysis. That is, we can analyze that data and we can get the meaningful information from that data. And sometimes your data has no any regular pattern, and so it is difficult for you to analyze that data. So what is the meaning of information extraction? So first we will convert unstructured data to structured data, and then we will apply our query tools like SQL and all. There are different query tools, and then we will extract meaningful information from that data. So see, these are some applications of information extraction. What are these? Like email scanning, we are scanning any email ID, sentiment detection, data analysis, video analysis, object detection, motion detection, business issues. So we know very well that in these types of applications we are requiring information extraction. We are somehow doing this process. Like if we are detecting any object, then we are extracting any information from that object, and then we are giving some data, some information about that object. So this is the case of object detection. Similarly, there are different applications in which we are applying information extraction. So see, this is your information extraction architecture. Now what is that? First, your raw text will come, that is your simple raw text, and from which we have to extract information. Now first what we will do is, first process is your sentence segmentation. Now what is sentence segmentation? We are segmenting our text into different sentences so that it will become easier for us to extract information from our text. So this is your first task in the case of information extraction, that is a sentence segmentation. After that, next process is tokenization. Now what is this process? In this process is in which we are just tokenizing our sentences, tokenizing our text, and we are getting some meaning, some different tokens. Okay, next process is pause tagging, that is part of speech tagging. Now after tokenizing our sentences, we are finding that whether that what is the type of that token, like it is either noun or any adjective or determiner, like that. So this is known as your pause tagging. Okay, so this is third step in case of your information extraction. Next is your entity recognition. So this is another step in this process. So what is entity recognition? We are just finding meaningful entities, like those entities which have some meaningful information, like names of places, names of organization, etc. So this is the step, that is entity recognition in case of information extraction. And last one is relation recognition. So after finding meaningful entities from our text, next we have to recognize relation, that is what is the relationship between those entities, and that step is known as relation recognition, and it is the last step of information extraction architecture. So these are 5 different steps present in your information extraction architecture, and we have to follow these steps to find that information from our raw text. So just remember these steps, because these are very important in this topic, and we have to follow these steps for getting information. Now I will show you practically these steps one by one, and then finally you will know that how we can extract information from our data using your Python language and using your very important module, that is NLTK module in natural language processing. So let's see one by one. Okay, so let's see the example of simple information extraction. So basically we are using a simple example. First you have to import your NLTK module, your simple module. You have to import this module first, and after importing this module, now we are using a simple example like simple string, or you can say simple your sentence. Now what can be my sentence? Like I am going to the market. This is a simple sentence, and we are just applying a simple normal information extraction steps over this. So first we have seen 2 steps earlier, that is your simple segmentation and tokenization, and there are 2 more steps, that is your pause tagging and entity recognition and relation extraction. So we will see entity recognition after this video. After this tutorial, we will see the how we can apply the process of entity recognition, and in this video I am showing you how to apply simple segmentation and simple tokenization. And then one more thing, one more step was there, that was your simple pause tagging over your sentence. So see this, and we have seen tokenization and segmentation before this. Now we are seeing simple pause tagging here. So see, okay, so let's see. This is your simple sentence, and first we are applying your simple sentence tokenization over here. So I'm just using nltk.sent tokenize because this is the method for applying sentence tokenization, which you have seen, and just passing this sentence here. And see, I'm just using a variable again, simple sent here. Okay, now see what is the sent. We have just apply here sentence tokenization. Your simple sentence is your I am going to the target, to the market. Now see here, there is only one sentence, so that's why we are getting simple sentence here. And now we are applying here word tokenization again. So just use I'm just again using this variable, and then I'm applying a simple loop because we are getting different words over here. Simple, I'm using word tokenize function, and then I'm passing my simple sentence. Okay, simple tokenized sentence, and then I'm using again this one. Okay, so this is your simple loop, and after applying this, just see what is the sentence. We have just tokenized our sentence into different words, different tokens. So what are these tokens? I am going to the market. And then this steps which we have seen in our previous tutorial, and now the final step which is new here, that is your pause tagging. So what we will do here, I'm just applying simple loop again, and then see, I'm using here function pause tag, which is inbuilt function present in your NLTK module, and then I'm using again simple for loop for send in send. So this is the loop in which we are using pause tag function, and for getting your simple pause tagging, it will apply pause tagging on your tokens. Now see what will happen. See, in our example we have I, PRP, M, VBD. Similarly we have going, VBG, to, the determinant, similarly market, a simple noun. So in this way we can apply pause tagging on our simple tokens present in our simple sentence. So you can use your different examples, you can use your big examples, big text, big documents, and you can apply simple pause tagging on those sentences after tokenizing them. So this is the way for applying pause tagging after tokenizing your simple sentences, and this was your third step present in your information extraction architecture, and I have shown you this example. So until now we have seen three steps: simple segmentation from raw text, then applying a simple tokenization over them, and then final applying pause tagging on them. Now your fourth step is entity recognition, and final is relation extraction. So before knowing about entity recognition, I will show you what is the process of chunking and chinking. So these are two important processes present in your fourth step, that is entity recognition, and we will see those steps first. So first I will show you those examples of chunking and chinking process, and then you will be able to know the fourth step. So let's see in another videos. Thank you.